welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I have a surprise for you. If you're wondering, I'm testing out a foundation, a new primer on half of my face, new lashes, and eyeshadow. Well, I actually just did an eyeshadow look, but it's the new eyeshadow palette to me. Okay, it's a surprise. Boxycharm Premium. Okay, y'all, if y'all don't know, this is $35 a month plus tax in most states, I'm certain. Y'all know, I don't know if y'all know, I canceled Boxycharm months ago. I had been interested in it. It was like items I wouldn't use, palettes I couldn't use because they kept sending me stuff with Carmine, or I wouldn't use because they were too neutral. So yeah, I had been really disappointed for a few months, and then I was like, I just need to cancel because I saw a spoiler, so I was like, I just need to cancel, whatever. But I signed back up, and I got the base box and the premium because apparently you have to have a premium or base box to get the premium. You can't just sign back up for the premium. So, but I saw what was in the premium box, and I was like, dang, I need to get that box. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is this thing. This is a Silver Pure PMD Beauty Makeup Removing Cloth. Get back to your pure self with Silver Pure. Remove makeup and wash your skin with the antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. Okay. This is a makeup remover. Silver infused microfiber makeup removing cloth. Antibacterial, ultra soft, and reusable. Okay, I get it if it has silver in it. The MSRP of this is $30. Makeup eraser, I think, is $24. So yeah, they're bigger. I mean, you can find a better use for silver now than putting it in a cloth. This is like half the size of a regular makeup eraser, so it feels soft. I wouldn't mind like a pillow made out of that. But yeah, I need to start using these, like, see if they're better. Now, I have, if y'all watch the Welsh twins, you need to. They're hilarious together. But James is focused on skincare, and Robert's focused on makeup. And they hate these things. They double cleanse with, like, an oil or balm or something like that. Anyway, but they did a test. They had, like, a microscope, and he really went at his face, like, first gently. And it looked like the makeup was gone, and then he went more aggressively because they looked in the microscope. They said you have a lot, and see what it did. It removes, like, it looked like it removed, like it looked like it was all gone, like just to the naked eye, but it was still there. Like your pores are still clogged with some makeup up close, and yeah. So I think it's good if you're like in here, or you're just switching, or you don't like your eye look and you just want to remove it really quickly, you want a corner, that probably worked. But like at the end, I went, even with my Garnier Micellar or whatever, I do that, and then I cleanse my skin. And that's like just when I get home, and then I usually cleanse right before I go to bed. So, because I cleanse again, and then that's like hours in between, and then like, you know, I cleanse my skin and moisturize serums, all that nice stuff. So, yeah. But they're handy, like I mean, they would be better than nothing, because I know some of y'all, I mean, y'all shouldn't be out going out and about right now anyway, but, you know, you go outside, have fun, you know, you come back, you don't really want to wash your face. Now, I will tell you, anytime I was drunk, it's like, I always washed my face. Like, I would not go to bed with makeup on. So, is this. This is from Ren Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. Removes makeup, SPF, and pollution. It has clean to skin, clean your planet, sunflower seed extract to protect skin's natural moisture barrier and prevent continued dryness. Meadow foam seed oil to help replenish and restore the skin's barrier with essential fatty acids omega-3 and 6. A rich, unique three-phase formulation that transfers from gel to oil to milk to dissolve away makeup, pollution, and even SPF while working to replenish and restore the skin to give rise to your perfect canvas. Efficacious yet gentle for a healthier looking skin. Gently massage a small amount for a few minutes over a dry face and closed eyes. Add warm water to emulsify and rinse thoroughly. Use with a damp sponge or muslin cloth in circular motions to remove all traces of makeup, SPF, and pollution. So I would consider this like a first step because it's going to be an oil-based thing. Like, if you don't want to use some micellar water or something, like you can use this instead. Or if you just have like caked on your face, you can use this. And then go in with this regular cleanser. So it's cruelty free and vegan. Okay, this is clinically proven to remove waterproof makeup, SPF, and pollution. It's 100% naturally derived formula. Shifts 3 times while you cleanse, starting as a jelly, shift into an oil, and then melt. Gently melt away dirt, makeup, pollution to a soft, clean finish. MSRP is $32. That's not bad for like something like a cleansing balm kind of thing going on. But this is like a jelly to an oil, which is interesting. I might give that a go. Be careful on my eyes. My eyes don't like oily things around. Next up is the Fenty Beauty Mascara by Rihanna. This is the full frontal volume lift and curl mascara. All out volume, eye-opening lift and curl, ultimate long wear, exclusive flat to fat brush, volume exceptional. Okay, that's a different thing. Let's see about the ingredients. Looks good. This does have synthetic beeswax and paraffin palmitic acid in it. See, you would think there would be no carmine in mascara because it's black, right? No. All of Lancome's mascaras and all of Maybelline's mascaras for the last few years have been containing carmine. All of Clinique's mascara contain carmine. Who else? I don't know. You have to be careful. Like, I have to be careful. You don't, but I do. They contain carmine. This is designed to deliver Rihanna's full lash look. Full Frontal's lightweight, ultra black formula is specifically paired with an exclusive flat to fat brush. The fat side holds maximum product to quickly load and lift lashes. The flat side defines and curls. MSRP is $24. I have not tried anything from Rihanna for a minute, but the shade is because I'm black. Okay. And that's like all her highlighters have carmine. All her eyeshadows have carmine. Her face is, I hate spending that much on a foundation or concealer. Especially one with that mix of reviews. So I just haven't tried anything for some reason. Her gloss bomb, even though it doesn't contain carmine, broke out my lips. I don't know what was going on with that. So very pretty packaging. Love that. I think this might have a very... Okay, no. I was thinking it was going to be similar, but it's not. So it's pretty flat on this side, and then it has bristles on this side. So you're supposed to go like this, but then like curl up. Interesting. I'll give it a go. Might work. Okay. From Fenty Beauty again. It's a 50 box. This is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder in Lavender. If you don't know, I signed up after the first. I didn't sign up before. I should have seen the spoils before. But I didn't. It might not have been shown. For premium, they don't like to show the spoilers too much. But anyway. Or I don't remember them showing it. Otherwise, I would have signed up before because I didn't get a choice on what color I got. Let me tell you why. Okay, so Rihanna was obsessed with creating a setting powder that wouldn't flash back. So Pro Filter was born in 8 versatile shades to melt into your unique skin tone, letting you set, perfect, and brighten without a trace. It works all day to blur the look of pores, fine lines, and imperfections. MSRP is $32. This is the shade Lavender. Okay. I looked it up online because I had a feeling lavender tends to be a color correcting shade, so this is a little weird. Anyway, Lavender is for fair to light skin tones. I know I'm a bit paler than I normally am today. You know, most years, I mean, that's limited sun. But even at this, as pale as I am, I'm a little darker because foundation is about a shade darker than I am. Or two. I am not fair enough to pull off a lavender that's for a fair to light skin tone. Even too bright under my eyes, I think that would be too bright. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Hey, if you're a light, fair light person and you got the color cashew somehow, or even butter, I think I could probably work with butter under my eyes. Like, let me know. Because I don't think, like, I was looking at the shades. Because I almost bought some in the add-ons. Because I almost forgot about that. But the shade, I think cashew or something would have worked, and they were sold out of that. So I was like, that, I don't know. And I wasn't too sure about butter, but for dang sure I'm not sure about that lavender. So next up from Summer Fridays, I got the Jet Lag Mask. Okay, this is cruelty-free, artificial fragrance-free, sulfate-free. We love this as an overnight mask and use it as a hydrating primer under makeup too. Like so, Mariana and Lauren. Okay. You don't have to be a jet setter to have that lag. Upgrade your skin to business class complexion no matter what time your red eye gets in or what time your head hits the pillow. This uber dewy hydrating mask soothes thirsty, stressed out skin by steeping cells in a nourishing mix of vitamins, ceramides, antioxidants, and gently exfoliating extracts. Skin looks instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. On cleansed dry skin, apply a thin layer with fingertips, maybe used under and over the eye area. Leave for 10 minutes for maximum hydration. Blot with a warm cloth. Necessary. No need to rinse. So you can use it overnight or at least 10 minutes to get most of the benefits. So what is happening with that lash? Anyway. So this says, life's turbulence means we can all get that lag, leaving skin stressed, tired, and thirsty. Used as a nightly mask, daytime moisturizer, or in-flight lifesaver. This multitasker's nourishing vitamins, ceramides, and antioxidant leaves skin instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. This is $48. I can hear more about Sunday for Fridays. Oh, this is what they sent the warning about. I think it was this or something they've had in a past box. I've got to check into that. But there was a warning email saying that some people have experienced irritation with this. Ooh, that's a big size mask. I'd like that. I need a new overnight mask. I probably have one in there, but well, I have one that I'm using. I mean, honestly, if you have irritation, then only use it as a 10-minute mask or find out what's in it that's causing the irritation. Alright, this is what really interested me. So, this is from Ofra Cosmetics. This is the Good To Go Mini Mix Palette. Manifest Good To Go looks every time in this mini full face palette of warm shimmers and fresh neutrals featuring Ofra's best-selling highlighter, All of the Lights. Okay. Alright. This lightweight, magnetic, and interchangeable palette is the perfect add-on to pop in your makeup bag. MSRP is $39, which is not bad. Okay, when I first saw this, when I wanted it anyway, but all the ingredients on back. Okay. It doesn't say vegan, cruelty-free, but on the actual box, if this actually came in its actual box. Alright. Alright, when I first saw this, it doesn't have anything. Business smile, you are beautiful. Sure. Okay, I thought this highlighter was Beverly Hills. It looks a lot like Beverly Hills. I'm telling you, it looks almost exactly. But maybe they changed up a couple shades. Because Beverly Hills was like one of their only highlighters that looks like that had carmine in it. But I looked on the back of this, and the highlighter has no carmine. So, yay. None of the eyeshadows have carmine. None of the blush or bronzer have carmine. So I'm excited for this because you know what? A lot of people couldn't use this. Like if you're really, really pale, like, well, you could probably use this. And you can use the eyeshadows, but you don't really have an uber light shade, and that bronzer would be way too deep for you. However, my complexion, even my summer complexion, really my summer complexion would really benefit a lot from these. Gorgeous. I mean, that would be a great blush too right there. That's a gorgeous shade. I like a burnt red brick color. I am so excited to have this. I like the mattes. I haven't really tried their eyeshadows. I've tried their blush. I like their blush. It's okay. This different looking blush. Their highlighters, of course, amazing. I haven't tried the bronzer either. So I'm excited to have this. It's got a little magnet right there too. Okay, like this costs $1 less than my base box. But the base box has that stupid bomb that no one in their right mind would pay more than $5 for. So there you go. So yeah, but like 2 or 3 in it. So still a really good box. I mean, you got your fancy stuff. If I'd been allowed to choose, I would have got closer than Lavender. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. If this doesn't irritate my skin, I'm gonna go back and try to find that email or find where he posted about this. I'll look into that. This is cool to remove makeup. I wanted the freaking Ofra palette, and I'm interested in trying the mascara. So that was my box. So yeah, I don't know if I'll keep it next month. I'll have to see more spoilers or look into it. I don't know. Yeah, because I'll have to make that choice whether I want them or even Ipsy next month. So yeah, so anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!